Alright guys, we're on deck 10. This is room 229. It's got a big hallway entrance. You go in. Oh yeah, look at that. Okay. And this is the one with the large balcony. The same. This is the Symphony of the Seas. Same arrangement. You know, you have the chiller. The same arrangement, but this one has this feature, which is the extended balcony for and you have this large balcony with a seating area, which is very nice for reading, overlooking Central Park. Okay, and it's very nice. Okay, you can see everything in there, but look how big this balcony is. And then you come in, and the room itself is the same. This is a two-person room. There's no overhead storage, but you have the drawers, safety deposit box, hangers, a couple robes, and of course the regular bath. Okay, nice big shower, your toilet, sink, and there you go. All the little amenities that you could ask for. All right, guys. And again, that's it. Room 10229. Thank you again for subscribing, and have a great day. Take it easy. Enjoy your trip, guys. Take care now. Bye.